If you want to be notified about a particular change in a page, then what you can do is you can utilize the Notify Me settings. So to do that in any particular page, you can click on the three dot button right here, and then you can go ahead on to Notify Me. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that Notify Me for all comments right here, which is added onto the page, is turned on. But you can also go ahead and enable the replies and mentions right here. So if I were to go around onto Notify Me, then you can see that I can go for replies and mentions only, or I can go ahead and choose all comments. So this is how you can go ahead and then choose an option to go ahead and get a notification for only certain things or everything inside of Notion right here. So if I were to go around over here onto this page, let's say for example, I can notify for reply and mentions right here, just like this. But this, as you actually can see right here, is actually different for each page. So here it's set to all comments, but if I were to go around over here, then you can see that it's set to replies and mentions. So this particular setting is unique to each and every pages in Notion. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.